How to restore purchases on Toca World. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we will guide you through on how we can restore purchases on Toca World. So let's just go ahead and look out on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to restore the purchases of the Toca World, head over to the Toca World game in your device. After that, after it is loaded up on the screen, you will be seeing the play section and the shop section below the Toca World icon here. Just go ahead and tap on the shop section and wait for it to be loaded on your screen. So just wait for about some seconds, and here you will be taken to these pages. So in order to restore your purchases, you just need to scroll down after you have done your purchases, and if you have deleted some of your purchases, just go ahead and scroll down at the last until you get to the last section. Just go ahead and scroll, and if you have deleted, you will be finding a restore purchases section here at the bottom. Just go ahead and click on it, and there you go. You should be able to restore your purchases. So that is how you restore your purchases, by following those methods. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.